While a political exchange has now broken out between Shashi Tharoor and Union Minister Kiran Rijiju over what was or what wasn't said behind closed doors. Now, the controversy began after Rijiju in an interview suggested that Tharoor had in some way agreed that the Congress could be seen as anti-women during a discussion on women's reservation bill. But Tharoor has strongly rejected that claim, saying his remarks have been completely misinterpreted. Responding to Rijiju's statement, the Congress MP said he never said or implied anything of that sort. In fact, Tharoor pointed out that there were 7 witnesses present during the conversation who can confirm what was actually said. According to him, the discussion happened after a parliamentary sitting where both sides were talking about the women's reservation bill. Tharoor said that while Rijiju acknowledged that he personally could not be called anti-women, he never agreed that the Congress party could be described that way. The Congress leader also reiterated his party's record, saying the Congress has consistently supported women's rights and women's reservation, including initiating the women's reservation bill and backing it in Parliament. He added that the party continues to support immediate implementation of women's reservation without linking it to lead limitation. The clarification comes after Rijiju in an interview earlier suggested that during their exchange, both leaders had broadly acknowledged each other's points. Tharoor, however, has now made it clear that he did not agree with the characterization of the Congress as anti-women.
नहीं, वो ऐसे हम लोग तस्वीरें एक खींचा शशि थरूर जी ने, पार्लियामेंट सेशन खत्म हो गए थे तो हॉल में, तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि कांग्रेस जो है महिला विरोधी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन कोई भी महिला शशि थरूर को महिला विरोधी नहीं मानेंगे। तो मैंने कहा हाँ, आपको महिला विरोधी कोई नहीं कहेंगे, ये तो मैं मानता हूं, लेकिन आपका पार्टी महिला विरोधी है। तो वो भी माना मेरा बात, मैंने भी उनका बात माना है। यही तो मतलब था उनका भी, कि भले कांग्रेस महिला विरोधी हो सकता है लेकिन महिला शशि थरूर को महिला विरोधी नहीं मानेंगे। तो मीनिंग क्या है, वही तो हो गया ना। उन्होंने भी एक तरीके से मान लिया कि कांग्रेस महिला विरोधी है, और मैंने भी मान लिया कि वो पर्सनली महिला विरोधी नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन उसका पार्टी महिला विरोधी है।